Are you tired of walking into a classroom or a playroom in your own house and seeing toys, books, and supplies scattered everywhere? Or if you're homeschooling, are you tired of having disorganization? If you're ready to instantly banish the clutter and bring in a bright, beautiful sense of order to your space, you need these. This is the ultimate 24-pack of plastic stackable cubby storage bins. In less than 30 seconds, you can be completely revolutionized in how you organize your shelves, making cleanup time a fun, independent breeze for kids. Let's look at exactly what makes these a must-have setup. When you order this set, you'll get a massive 24-pack of premium bins, giving you more than enough storage containers to overhaul an entire shelving unit or outfit a whole classroom. Each individual bin features the perfect mid-size footprint, measuring exactly 11.5 inches long by 7.5 inches wide by 5 inches deep. Now, this specific size is incredibly versatile. It's roomy enough to hold thick children's picture books, stacks of notebooks, heavy building blocks, or assorted art supplies, yet compact enough to sit beautifully on a standard cubby shelf without hanging over the edge. This particular set comes in a vibrant multicolor sorting selection that instantly adds a cheerful, welcoming energy to any learning environment. It features an assortment of bright primary and secondary tones like red, blue, green, yellow, and purple. This makes visual organization and color coding your daily subjects or student groups incredibly simple. If you're looking to match a specific aesthetic, these bins are also widely available in other variants. Look at the difference from this messy shelf to an organized shelf, and you will want this beautiful look. Now, they're even better than the clear plastic options, but those are also available, and you can have single packs in the single color if you want uniformity across your room. They are durable and they are organized with heavy-duty plastic construction. They're built tough enough to withstand everyday bumps, and look how great this whole organizational set looks. The plastic is thick and rigid, meaning it won't warp or crack under the weight of heavier toys or books. There are no sharp edges, and the front of each basket is molded within a smooth, comfortable fit for little hands, and they fit perfectly inside of each other. They're also easy to pull out. Plus, because they are completely waterproof, a quick wipe with a sanitizing cloth makes them brand new again. The engineering here is incredibly smart. These containers are fully nestable, meaning they slide seamlessly inside one another to save valuable storage space when empty. When filled, they stack securely on top of each other. They stack on top of each other thanks to a recessed bottom lip, allowing you to maximize the vertical shelf space effortlessly. Now, best of all, each bin includes a built-in label slot so you can organize and tag what's inside on the front or on the sides. These labels are stickable, and they're also removable to reuse again. Or you can use pictures and teach children independent cleanup habits when they know exactly what belongs in each item in each basket. Whether you choose the vibrant multicolor pack or the ultra clear variant, the specialized sizage and storage system is an absolute game changer for teachers and daycare providers alike, and parents for their own sanity of their own playrooms. This was provided for my honest opinion, and I truly recommend them.